We are starting with a new update for Lightwave 3 2024. New features: motion dump and motion scoop, motion copy and paste, add frame range to RHiggit Motion Copy ADV, added configuration saver to LD instance display, added Octane DOF node with the ability to use Lightwave's own f-stop. Turbulence FD, TFD demo scenes updated to include notes and guidance on use. And there are many more fixes in Lightwave 2020.1. Blender 4.3 Alpha Update, Rendering. In Blender 4.3, a very interesting node was added called Metallic BSDF. The Metallic BSDF exposes existing but hard to access metallic material configurations in a small node. The F82 tint approximation is artist-friendly, taking colors as inputs. Metallic BSDF gives more accurate results for real-world metals. Sydney Sati has released FumeFX 6.5, introducing new GPU-powered liquids to its VFX package. FumeFX GPU liquids are ideal for small-scale liquid simulations, enabling artists to complete simulations in minutes rather than hours. Built on PhysX, the liquids seamlessly interact with static, kinematic, and dynamic PhysX objects and are fully integrated with NodeWorks. Maxon releases Red Giant 2025. The update includes new versions of all 5 of Red Giant's individual products. Magic Bullet 2025.0 adds a new parametric curve plugin. Maxon Studio 2025.0 adds the option to create capsules, and Trapcode 2025.0 features updates to Geo and Particular. Adobe releases Substance 3D Modeler 1.14. Substance 3D Modeler 1.14 updates painting workflow in the VR sculpting software, including the option to create decals with the Paint tool. The update reworks the software's painting toolset, making it possible to paint decals with the Paint tool and to paint while sculpting when using the surfacing tools. The update also reworks the layout of the controls when working in virtual reality to free up the support trigger so that it can act like a modifier key. According to Adobe, the change will make it possible to add more functionality to the VR controllers in future. There are also a number of smaller UI, workflow, and performance improvements, including scaling handles now resizing asymmetrically by default. Adobe releases Photoshop 25.12. It's a minor workflow update, adding the option to view notifications directly within the app when sharing documents for review. Users can now click a bell icon on the Photoshop application bar to view unread notifications for share.